Hey guys, it's Finn, and I'm here again with another video. Stop laughing! And I'll say it to be the video. It's not funny. Stop!
Hey guys, it's Bryn.
Stop! I'm recording right now. You're on video now. You're the video. Stop!
You're just like, hey guys, it's Bryn.
Stop! You're on doing that on the camera. Stop! We have our dog. Sorry about this, guys. My parents are being really mean and annoying.
You have to label this one
sorry.
hiccups.
No.
Yes.
You guys, you have to subscribe to me, Mom and Dad.
We will. Just watch this one.
It's not funny.
It's only because it doesn't hurt us in the Yep. Watch for the cows, guys.
Where?
The cows. Cows crossing.
Ooh, cow crossing.
Dad.
What did he say?
He's like, what hillbilly country are we in?
Sheep Creek. This is Sheep Creek.
Oh, gas station. Oh, please.
Well, I gotta pause it. My mom's coming. Never mind.
What, is it closed?
Yeah. Just pull over.
Why? So you can videotape it?
No. Stop!
It's funny.
Okay, I think they're gone.
That's pretty. Thirsty, but I don't want to drink all that
Stop hiccuping.
They're not gone.
Every time I think they're gone, they're not gone. This is like an hour I had them.
I know, and then if you think they're gone, then I hiccup once and then they come back.
Yeah, and that's not nice.
I don't even hiccup, it's a fake.
Yeah, I know, but still, it makes me hiccup. Ooh, you.
It sounds like you're gonna die.
You were like this.
Yes.
When I put the camera by your
I'm just like,
yeah, when I put it by your face. My side, pig.
zooming.
Zoom out. It's zooming in now. Give it. Ooh.
When you want to get rid of them, Bryn, you do what I told you.
I'm trying.
You're not.
She actually did that, but it didn't work.
But you have to keep doing it. Keeping yourself calm.
There you go.
Doing your controlled holding of your breath. And then they will go.
You just go like this when you go.
Mom really getting a lot stitched here.
Take you home.
One side of one leaf.
Not so much.
And because I'm enjoying the scenery. this is not Wisconsin.
Stop making me laugh. I'm trying to do what Dad said.
Lexi, leave her alone.
I'm not trying to, but then when she breathes out, and she goes, it's funny.
Well, it's not going to be funny when we paddle both your asses.
Dad, you just swore on the
I'm going to pee my pants.
You swore on the video. Dad, you swore in the video. Sorry about that, guys.
Tabby watches his dad.
Yeah. So does her little brother.
Yeah.
Tabby already knows me swear.
But her little brother doesn't.
Well, he's going to learn a whole bunch of new words. You think their parents don't swear?
They do.
Exactly.
Stop sticking crap on me. What is this?
That was my first time.
Beeswax lip balm?
Something on you.
Just in your garbage bag.
That's why I have it.
I have to pee.
Welcome to the club.
Well,
Look at you.
Lexi.
I have found nothing.
Yes.
Why don't we just pull over?
Because I don't pee on the side.
Me either. I don't want to pee on the side of the road.
Lexi needs
That's
some
not
more
fun.
time.
That's okay. Sorry, I did it wrong. want to take a picture of that. It's really pretty, please. Can you take a picture? Oh, look at that. That's video that I showed you when you don't know the words to a song. That's funny. Oh, there could have been a bathroom. Oh, never mind, it's a ranch.
It was a ranch.
Yeah.
Okay, I think they're gone now. Don't. You
Not
did.
gone.
Oh, jeez, that hurt. Oh.
I love this road. I love it when my stomach jumps. It's so
I
fun.
hate it.
Because I don't really like roller coasters. I just oh, it's my favorite song. In the ocean,
Bananas.
setting big waves. In the ocean, like how the simple
Rest area.
They're gone, Daddy. They're gone.
rest area. Yes,
I'm gonna sneeze though.
Just gotta keep calm. Keep calm for a little while, Brent, so your diaphragm relaxes and settles down, and then you'll be fine.
I can't help to sneeze, Dad.
I know that. I'm not saying you sneezed on purpose. I'm just telling you, you gotta calm yourself.
I'm trying.
the funniest video ever.
I'm sorry, guys, if this is too funny.
Let it go.
Well, I'm gonna end the video now. I'll start another one.
Oh, is this the rest stop?
Bye.
Bathrooms?
Since we're at the rest stop, so bye.